Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to read something from class 8, subject English language, and the topic of the day is science third conditionals. The third conditionals can be defined as it is used to express the past consequences of an unrealistic action or situation in the past. For example, if he had studied harder, he would have passed the exam. This is an example which shows that how the third conditional has been implemented. Here is the structure of this in exact form. First of all, what we have to add, we just add the word would, then helping verb have or has, and the past participle then, and after that we have to add past perfect, if or clause. Now how can we use it? A past action that did not happen and its imaginary result in the past. Now take an example again. She would have become a teacher if she had gone to university. Second example, if they had studied, they would have passed the exam. These are two examples which are showing that how the third conditionals have been implemented or used in the sentence. Third conditional sentences can be also understand with the example given in this slide. And here are some other examples of third conditional. Number one, if I had worked. Now had worked, you are seeing that how they are used after the subject. If I had worked harder at school, I would have got better grades. Second example, if I had paid more attention in class, I would have understood the lesson. Number third, if you had not been late, if you had not been late, we would not have missed the bus. Here are some other examples related to third conditional. Dear students, you all have to do lots of practice of these as you can understand about it in a proper way. In the last, I'm giving you an exercise. You have to solve by doing lots of practice, of course, and you can easily then understand, and you have to write the definition and some of the examples from this video in your lecture notebook, and that is your English language, of course. And then you have to make at least any 10 sentences related to or by using third conditionals, and you have to write those in your notebook of English language. I hope that you have understand, and if you will have any tension or query, you can ask through the messages.